Hello everyone, welcome to one really quick tutorial video on how you can get started with Pika. Now, if you don't know what Pika is or Pika Art, it's basically a platform that is basically an idea to video platform or text to video. So you basically put up the prompt, as you can see right here, you generate the prompt, and then you get a video from that prompt. Now, this is one of the best alternatives to InVideo or to any other AI platform that is pretty much needed to create videos. Now, keep in mind, they still have a waitlist. They just released, so you will need to go and sign up to join the waitlist, and then you can go here and sign up with your Discord or with your Google account. I already signed up. Now, once you sign up, you will need to wait some time. It's not yet announced when it will be, but you will be able to join the waitlist and use Pika. Obviously, I think there will be a price when it comes to Pika. As you can see right here, this is just one particular way how this will be used, as you can see. So it's a very extensive, very professional way to generate videos for your YouTube videos, for your B-rolls, whatever you want to use it for. As you can see, very extensive tool that can generate pretty much anything. Now, keep in mind, this is Pika 1.0, so this is still in beta. However, this is a very professional, very professional looking tool that you can get started by just going to pika.art/login, and then you just sign up with Google for the waitlist. And yeah, you will be able to start using Pika.art once you apply for it, and once they will let you in, because again, this is a wait list tool. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments around this, you can always comment down below. And if you want a more extensive tutorial on Pika, I can definitely create a tutorial once I get on the wait list. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.